Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to request cards in Royal Kingdom. In Royal Kingdom, requesting cards is simple once your collection is unlocked, usually found in the bottom right corner. Open your collection, select the section where you want a card, and tap the request button at the bottom. This will send a request directly to your teammates. If they have a duplicate of that card, they can share it with you, helping you complete your set faster. Be sure to check back regularly as teammates may respond at different times, and keeping track of pending requests ensures you don't miss out. Keep in mind, special cards like 5-star or golden ones obtained from events cannot be requested, as these are unique. While this example uses Royal Match, the process is identical in Royal Kingdom, so the steps and functionality remain the same across both games, making it easy to manage your collection and building stronger decks. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.